Hey everyone, SilverStackMagician here with a quick unveiling. Death Dealer 2015. This right here, this little medallion. This is a half ouncer right here. It's really cool. I seen this one on Hi Ho Silver's channel, and when I saw it, I was like, I just gotta get me one of these. It's really cool. So if you guys haven't checked out his channel, go ahead and do so. Supporting the silver community. You know, he's the one that enlightened me to this medallion, so I'm gonna give credit where credit's due, and it's just really nice. Let's see if it focuses. But got this off of eBay, so it's really cool. I just wanted to show you guys real quick if you haven't seen one. I wanted to get the 1 ounce, but these things are kind of pricey, so just went with the half ounce. So anyways, really cool, and thanks to Hi Ho Silver for showing it to us. Alright, anyways, so check out his channel, like I said, support our silver community, and there we go. Certificate of authenticity. Alright guys, keep on stacking. Thanks for watching.